Hi everyone! In this video I want to share my thoughts about the cryptocurrency project called Chia Network. We will do a quick overview of the project and find out if it's a good idea to invest into it. And a spoiler, I think the price close to $30 per coin is good for buying, and the price close to $2,000 should be a good price to sell. So let's do a quick overview of the project. This is a blockchain and smart transaction platform. It is similar to Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is mined by ASICs and XCH coins can be mined by SSD or HDD drives. Actually, I heard that ROM memory can also be used for mining. This approach of mining is called farming and implements the proof of space and time concept. The project uses its own programming language called Chia. The project is built for enterprise, government, metaverse, climate, NFTs, and developers. The Chia is an ecosystem, and different products can be developed based on this blockchain. So in general, the blockchain potentially going to be secure like Bitcoin and powerful like Ethereum. To farm the exchange coins, the farmers use space, mostly on the SSD drives. And to me, the minus of this project is that they don't use the space to store some data. So actually the space of the drives is used just for farming perspective. But probably this is not a goal of the project and they concentrated on the blockchain, not on the data storing services. And it's not bad. And what about the core team? The main people in this project are Bram Cohen and Jim Hoffman. And who is Bram? Bram is the creator of the first peer-to-peer torrent tracker called BitTorrent. He also is a great programmer. He learned basic programming language at the age of 5 on his family's computer. So I think this is a powerful person with great skills, experience, and social connections. In the Chia project, he is currently occupying several roles. He is the chairman of the board, founder, and chief technology officer. Another important person is Gene Hoffman, the CEO and president of the project, and I think he is also a well-known person in the business community and knows how to build successful projects. And let's see who invested in Chia Network. As we can see, the powerful investor on the board like Anderson Horowitz and Galaxy Digital. So the project has a great founder and a strong team with powerful investors. Great. And what about the Chia coin? Let's check the white paper. As I remember, the information which I want to find is on page 20. Okay? Yeah. The important part of the information here is that they did a pre-mine of 21 million Chia for the strategic reserve. The company created 21 million Chia at mainnet launch, Chia Network Strategic Reserve, or pre-farm, and consider them part of our pro forma balance sheet. The blockchain has halvings. They happen every 3 years from the beginning of farming. So during the first 3 years there are going to be 10 million coins, and between the first and second halving is going to be farmed an additional 5 million of tokens, and then 2.5, etc. Okay, so what about the price? Let's find the chart of the exchange coin, and I will open it on the CoinMarketCap. And the chart looks so weird because of the pump of the price at the beginning. And it's not a pump actually. This was caused by the low amount of coins in circulation. And with the newly farmed coins, the price went down. This is why I would ignore the first part of the chart. Okay, now should be better. So looks like the price is close to the bottom. We see that the price had some level of support, and this level of support was near $30. But let's check the last year, and here we can see that price dropped recently to approximately $20. It happened due to news of 25% staff reduction. We are sharing the difficult news that we eliminated 26 positions across Chia network today. We did not make the decision to resort to layoffs lightly. And actually, this is the usual thing for the bear crypto market. A lot of other cryptocurrencies did the same. In the news, I read also that the team going to sell some amount of the performant coins, but this information wasn't proven. And even if they really talked about that, then I would not believe them. I think this information can be shared to affect the mood of holders and help them to sell their coins. And let's check the top wallets. So we will go to the blockchain explorer and top accounts tab. So the top 3 wallets contain the biggest part of the performant coins, and as I know, first 2 are frozen for now. At the same time, the coins from the 3rd wallet can be sold at any time. But still, 18 millions of coins are frozen and can be sold, at least in the near future, and it is good. And regarding the gossip about selling some part of the coins, makes sense to mention that the project announced that they want to have an IPO in the future and list its stocks on exchange. And if they will sell at least one Chia coin before the IPO, then it will be a huge trigger for the Security and Exchange Commission to prohibit them from going to the IPO. So I don't think that they will sell some of the coins in the near future, at least before the IPO, if they really going to have it. And I hope so that they going to have it. Also, the team has a good human network to arrange an additional round of investment if they really need additional money. I don't think that money should be a problem for them. The coins haven't been distributed to the investors. They gave just a promise to them, so the investors should not be a problem for the IPO in the future. And let's talk about the most interesting. Currently, the farming of the Chia coins is not profitable. Paybacks will occur in more than 17 years with the current coin price. And during that, the SSD drives will be broken. So it doesn't make sense. In addition to this, there will be a halving in 2024, which makes farming even more unattractive. And let's check this map. Here we can see that Chia has farmers across the whole planet. And I think the people do farming as they believe in the success of the project, or the project supports farming. Now, when we had this terrible news from the project about cutting the team, the farmers may lose their faith and sell the farmed coins. This is actually good because the owners of the project can buy the coins at the bottom and it will help to manipulate the price of the coin in the future when we will be in the next bull market and the product will be ready. And what about if farming isn't profitable? Why are so many resources involved in farming? Are the individuals doing it because they believe in the project? I don't think so. At least not so many. I think that the owners of the Chia project are the biggest farmers of the coins. They run servers across the whole world to farm Chia coins. And why do they do it? Probably to have the possibility to manipulate the price in the future. So if they achieve the goal of collecting the main part of the tokens in circulation, They could pump the price of the token in the future, and the people will start buying the hard drives for farming, so they could get some profit from that. I mean, team. Also, this should help to have a good company valuation before the IPO. And of course, then they can sell the tokens on the top of the price in addition to the stocks. Sounds like a triple win, right? I think that the price of the coin is very close to the low. Of course, it can go down more, but I don't think so. And the $20 for me is the bottom. The price near $20 is a good price to buy and hold for the next 3 years. And then sell when the payback for farming will be about 6 months. It's going to be if the price of the coin exceeds the $2,000 mark. So people will buy the hard drives to farm coins, and in my opinion, this is one of the goals of the project. They probably either already have or are going to arrange in the future the agreement with the hard drive manufacturers. At least that would be logical, right? Okay. Then let's calculate the possible capitalization of the Chia coins. Let's assume that the culmination of the next bull market can be in about 3 years. So there will be something like 15 million farmed coins in circulation. But maybe some of the pre-farm will be added. Then let's assume that in 3 years there will be something like 25 million. So 15 million of farmed coins plus 10 million of pre-farm. And we expect $2,000 per each. So it will be 15 billions for the capitalization. And well, this is a huge amount. But maybe we could sell before the pre-farm will be added, then the capitalization will be less. And anyway, for example, Solana had also a big capitalization, so why Chia couldn't? Let's check the capitalization of Solana. So currently 25 billion, but on the top it was $78 billion. And current capitalization of Chia is $234 million. Okay. Then this coin price can do something like 50 to 100x from the current price, depending on when the pre-farm will be added to the circulation, or even more than 100x is possible. So if you will put, for example, $10,000 into this coin and the expectation will be achieved, then your investment will give you a profit near 100x. And this is $1 million. Not bad, right? Okay, let's summarize. I think that the Chia network is a good project for investment. The current price, which is a little bit more than $25, is a good price to buy XCH coin for a long-term perspective. Potentially profit is near 100x, and this is a risky investment, so do not put a lot of your money into this coin. And I want to add that if the Bitcoin will not reach an all-time high in the next half a year, but the Chia price goes up, for example, for something like $200, then I would sell at least the half of coins with the plan to buy them back by the lower price. But this is another story. Please put in the comments section what do you think about the project and whether is it a good investment or they will fail. Click the subscribe button and let's move toward financial success together. It is very important to do your own research and enjoy your life.